This is a quick review of the active automatic toilet bowl cleaner tablet. Just so I received this product. So I received this free product in exchange for a video review. We got the active automatic toilet bowl cleaner. It offers a convenient and effective way to maintain a clean and fresh smelling toilet with minimal effort. Again, it's designed for a toilet tank. These blue gel tablets here provide ongoing cleaning and deodorizes it for every flush, making it a popular choice for busy households. Again, the key features is the deep cleaning action. So these tablets dissolve slowly in the tank, releasing powerful cleaning agents that prevent hard water stains, residue buildup, and odors. Again, it has a blue color, so it's a blue water indicator. So the water turns blue with each flush, giving a visual cue that the cleaner is actively working while leaving the bowl looking clean and fresh. Again, this is a long-lasting performance, so each tablet lasts up to 30 days or 300 flushes, providing a year's supply within the 12 pack. Again, this is a septic safe formula, so the bleach-free formula is safe for septic systems. Again, this is a fresh scent, so it leaves behind a light, pleasant fragrance after each flush. Also, ease of use is one of the main features. Just simply drop a tablet into the tank away from the internal parts, and it starts dissolving immediately. So no scrubbing or effort is required after initial placement. And this tablet effectively reduces buildup from hard water and leaves the bowl looking clean. Again, in conclusion, the active automatic toilet bowl cleaner tablets are an excellent choice for maintaining a clean and fresh toilet with minimal effort, so I highly recommend it.